In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma AI. We're going to walk through how to turn on content training for Figma AI so you can get smarter suggestions and more relevant results based on your team's actual work. I'll explain what each screen means and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident making this change. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct workspace where your team collaborates. If you're part of multiple teams or organizations, you'll want to be in the one whose AI settings you intend to manage, since these preferences are scoped to that team's environment. Look toward the top left area of the interface for your team selector. This is the drop-down that shows your current team name and lets you switch between teams. Click that drop-down to reveal more options related to the team you're viewing. If you don't immediately see the team you expect, switch to it first, then open the drop-down again. From that menu, choose View Settings. This opens the settings page for that team where you can manage access, permissions, and policies. You'll need the appropriate role to change AI-related preferences. If you don't see the options we're about to use, you may need to ask a team admin to make the change or grant you access. Inside the team settings, look for Manage AI Settings. Click it to open the section dedicated to the team's AI features and data use. This is where you control how Figma AI interacts with your content and what it can learn from. Find the option labeled Content Training and enable it. Turning this on allows Figma AI to learn from your team's files and activity to provide more accurate, context-aware outputs. For example, it can better understand your design patterns, naming conventions, and common components, which helps it generate suggestions that match the way your team actually works. This does not make your files public. It's designed to improve AI features, and your organization's data policies still apply. If your company has specific guidelines, review those before enabling, and remember that you can return to this setting at any time to adjust it. That's all there is to it. You went to figma.com, opened your team's drop-down, selected View Settings, clicked Manage AI Settings, and enabled Content Training. After this, give the AI features a bit of time to adapt. If you collaborate with others, let them know the setting is on so everyone understands how their content supports better AI results. If you ever need more details, check your team's documentation or Figma's help resources for the latest guidance.